Now I'm in between two handicapped dudes. This dude had his own words. Crab legs. Squirrel nuts. Crab legs. I was like, hey! Y'all fucking my mind up. Rodney, get in the car. I thought that. Mic check.
Got everything under control. It's a boss moment, you're ready to turn it off. Everybody relax.
Know that. Thank you. Well, we almost made it. I'm gonna tell y'all why that made me feel good. Because nobody said, when you said we gotta start up, nobody said hell no. I'm gonna leave out on that note. You want me to finish telling you what happened? Anyway.